Dispose dry paper, recyclables, and wet or soiled materials using clearly separated containers and put each load on the correct route for disposal. When cleaning a building, start by carrying a mobile cart with 3 separate receptacles labeled for dry paper, recyclables, and wet or soiled trash so you do not mix streams as you work. For dry paper and non-food recyclables, flatten boxes and compress loose paper to save space and place them in a rolling bin that will be wheeled to the loading area. Keep the bin dry and cover it if rain is expected. For wet or soiled materials, put them directly into heavy-duty liners that are tied closed and placed in a separate container to avoid leaks and odors. Replace liners at the first sign of contamination or damage to prevent cross-contamination. For biohazardous or chemical waste, follow facility protocols, which include using designated containers, labeling contents, and arranging for specialized collection with licensed haulers so those items never enter regular trash streams. Use absorbent pads and spill kits immediately if liquids are dropped, and then bag the used absorbents as contaminated waste so they do not remain in general refuse. Before moving any load through public areas, seal bags and use secondary containment such as a dolly with sidewalls to prevent spills and to keep odors confined during transport. Common mistakes are mixing wet and dry streams, which causes whole loads to become unusable and smelly, so always segregate on the cart and train staff to keep liners specific to one waste type. Another frequent problem is using undersized or damaged liners that tear on the way to the dumpster and create spills. Solve this by stocking only heavy-duty liners sized to the container and perform a quick liner check when replacing bags. A third issue is improper handling of hazardous or chemical wastes that can lead to contamination and regulatory fines. The practical fix is to maintain simple, visible instructions at the cleaning supply station, label temporary storage, and have a clear contact for arranging licensed hazardous pickup. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to building maintenance and trash handling projects. We also host a discussion community where members share practical tips, vendor experiences, and local recommendations that can help you manage disposal, prevent contamination, and find the right service for follow-up.